Hello everyone, here in the bathroom. We've got a 32-inch Hunter bath and dressing room. It's a neat little fan. It's the Hunter Coastal Breeze with shore blades on it. And actually that's literally what this is, because that motor housing and motor is from a 32-inch Coastal Breeze, but it's really not much different from the Hunter bath and dressing room. Other than the motor was black on the one that I have, but it had a winding problem, so I used this one. Otherwise it's exactly the same. I got it close mounted. As you can see, I need to finish the ceiling and clean the fan off a little better. It's got marks and stuff all over it, but it works great and moves a lot of air in here. I've had a good number of fans up there. When I first did the bathroom, I had a 36-inch Harbor Breeze Classic up there, and then I took that down, put up, I think, an Encon Petite, which I took down for a blue Target Hugger. I think that's what came next. Then I took that down for a white Harbor Breeze Breezeway, took that down for a silver Hugger of some sort, and I took that down for this. And this is what's going to stay. I just never put it up because I couldn't find the fourth blade, but when I was digging through my storage I found it. So we're going to show this running now. High speed first. It's throwing up quite the breeze. I can feel it from outside the door. You can see it moving around my shower curtain and stuff. Medium. Low. And off. Well, check out that spin down. I did have to completely rewire the bathroom area up here. There was a big silver fan heater combo in the middle. Took that out, put in an exhaust fan you see to the side there, and that light over the shower. And yeah, that fan is about to stop. There we go. We got the light here. And the switches are here. So, the shower light and the wall light come on with the same switch. The ceiling fan and the exhaust fan are separate. And it worked out nicely. I just need to finish the ceiling. Anyway, that is it, and I hope you enjoyed.